I think part of my personality is just track all the dramas to come. It's like there's a one saying that life is like a carpet, right? If more things happen, more difficulties, more fun, then there will be very colorful, different patterns. And then if your life is very smooth and it would be simple, gray kind of carpet, it doesn't matter. It's like it's still a carpet. But I guess everyone have a different carpet, and my life was kind of difficult. I kind of figure that everything should have some hiccups before you get to some point.